Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again, yeah.
So guys, we are walking around Tirana today. Katka is here with me. You are moving a high on my, on my list. You are already part of my videos.
Been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again, I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it.
Nice city, but a lot of communist history, right? Yeah, like what was the name of the guy?
Enver Hoxha.
I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back often. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, yeah.
So actually there was a memorial when Katka was taking pictures, and there are three like symbols, monuments, and everything is towards the separation of communist times towards normal people. So there is a wall from the Berlin original wall. Then there are bunkers, a lot of bunkers in Albania, a lot of bunkers here, and especially there are placed there because the residents that you can really only see a small part of it because it's not allowed to take any videos. It was the building of the Hoxha, of the communist that was ruling.
Yeah.
He was ruling the country for more than 40 years, which is crazy. And the last piece was from the salt mine, the gallery that supports the entrance to the salt mine or some kind of mine, I don't know. Doesn't matter. The thing was, it was a camp, a working camp for political prisoners. Anyway, it's super hot here, so we are really enjoying these beautiful parks, which is quite plenty of them here in Tirana. And we are going to the biggest park. We're gonna enjoy part of the day there and see you on the top of the mountain right above Tirana. See you there.
Been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again, I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back often. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on.
So this is it from the first part of the trip around Albania. We are at top of a mountain called Daiti, I guess. Hopefully it's Daiti. And Tirana is just right over there. What is also beautiful is that it's a little bit colder here than down in a city. And yeah, actually one thing I wanted to share with you, in case you will be traveling here, in case you will be traveling to Tirana or to Albania, don't put too many days in Tirana. I mean, we are here for 1.5. We walked around whole city. We're gonna have a beautiful dinner today. We are on top of the mountain, but there is not anything left what to do, I guess. Well, you always can do something, but for us it's enough. So I think really time-wise was perfect. Tomorrow we are leaving to Lake Shkoder. We are going to some castles and stuff like that, so stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, write them into a comment. It will be awesome if you subscribe, if you are not already a subscriber. Hit the like button if you like what I do, and most importantly, remember, always have fun.
Big bags coming, coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win.